Architecture is something necessary for humanity. Probably one of the very first things we did was walk into a cave for protection. But great architecture is not easily found nowadays. Cities are presenting endless problems, such as pollution, lack of quality space, lack of security, and not a single fuck given for the developing of people. Spilling a glass of milk is much easier than putting the milk back in the glass. If we wanted to start over our cities, it will be an almost impossible endeavor.
Imagine if we could just start from scratch.
NFTs are made for architects. The metaverse is becoming a reality in front of our eyes. In a near future, many of us will own virtual real estate, which we can visit by simply using VR. It is such an immersive experience that your brain does not recognize that what your eyes are seeing is not real. It is the golden opportunity to start fresh from the start.
A blank canvas, if you will. The interesting part is the wide range of new possibilities that digital space brings us.
In the case of architecture, in the real world, you are restrained by physical forces such as gravity, a horizontal grid. You need to source the material, have the money to do that, comply with endless dumb regulations, and be sure the building can withstand the elements.
This gives you a high cost per product with many limitations. In the metaverse, the only limitation is your imagination.
This means that in the upcoming years, we're going to see an explosion of the architect profession, a renaissance if you will. The new generation will have the opportunity to build a better world from scratch, and most importantly, learn from the mistakes of the past. What happens if people all around the world who live in dense cities could visit a beautiful forest for 1 hour a day? What happens if instead of boring Zoom calls, we have interactive meetings inside epic buildings? And most importantly, what happens if architecture is made with the purpose of bettering society?